spist opp maten en dag?
Ja.
Så tung som han ser ut som.
We're back at Hausdalen at, what time is it? 5 to 9. Had to do a long detour. This time we invested in this wagon.
To get more space that we could fill up.
We filled it up with more stuff, but it'll be fun.
Nice shoes that they forgot. Tar du klokken igjen?
Og så du tar den opp.
So, here we go. We'll have to just put our tent up and hopefully we can make a little fire to roast some marshmallows. Hey, Pancho.
Men du går der. Hvor kan vi gå gjennom porten?
This time we didn't bring the stroller since we have the wagon. And it might be a better solution. A good tester. Hey, Killian. You're already tired.
Kom da, Finnley, skal vi gå og tisse litt? Du og meg.
Potty break. Look at that sunset. In a week, Killian will be 6 months, so it's been a month since our last camping trip. We finally got a break from the Bergen monsoon that has been for a few weeks in August, and fall is definitely here. We got Killian's and got his wool hat on, and the leaves are starting to change their colors. Pancho's hair is growing out, which just means we gotta cut it soon. Last time we were here, we had the sheep visiting us, but we had come out a lot earlier in the evening. This time we were kind of unsure if we were really motivated, and then 7:30 at night, all packed, and we had to do a big detour around, so it's gonna learning by doing. You want out of this thing. Well done.
hjørnet der og dra litt bort den.
We cheated a little bit and brought our own wood from home this time. After all the rain that we've had, I'm sure most of the stuff would take so long to dry out here. That's alright. Awesome.
Here you go.
Okay, put it down there, please.
Yeah.
Do we have to have the firefighter lights on, the police lights?
Yeah.
Oh.
Då kan jag se skickligt troll. Oj, så. Hej! Oj! Allt kom ut på en gång.
I think, yeah. Try to close it
Here's
up.
the marshmallow. Oj, jag klappade det. Om jag klappade... Oj, jag klappade det. Sånn. Here's the marshmallows, Mama. Here's the marshmallows. The marshmallows.
I see that, but I gotta get this fire going a little bit more, okay? I left the baby unattended and I found you eating grass. Silly.
Huh?
Bright lights on, sorry. Don't look at my headlamp. Here you go. Hi.
So much easier to do this the second time. And here you can actually get the nails in.
A little bit closer. And rotate it. Actually turn it. It's smoky.
Det var ditt lys. Det var ditt
Hold
lys.
your marshmallow. I gotta turn the camera off.
Oj, nu blir det light. Oj. It's super hot.
Oh yeah, it burned. You're gonna burn your fingers. Here, let me test. Or you do a test. A little bit more, even though it burnt.
Okay.
Because it's still too hard. You want it to be nice and fluffy.
Ska du lägga massa i dina knorrar?
Today is September 1st. I think this is the latest in the year I've been camping in Norway, so the daylight is drastically decreasing, given it is after 9. A couple of years ago, I brought Finnley camping here, and it was mid-August and still light at 10:30. So now that it's like 9:30, it's a lot darker. It's not too cold, so at least then we can enjoy fire.
Huh?
Vad är det sen?
Din?
Åh. Bolde.
Godnatt.
Hä?
Godnatt.
Godnatt, men jag är inte klar ännu.
Oh, you're working on it? Love you.
Nej.
That looks very crooked. I thought it was straight.
I've tried rotating it on the editing program as well. It doesn't. Don't worry about that. And they eat plenty of raw.
What you doing, bud?
Why'd you come over here? Come over here. Oh, hot dogs. I'll get your food. Not pop, not pop.
Sit.
Sykle.
Og
Og jeg skateboard med Olivia.
ja, nå synes jeg dette begynner å høres litt ut som ei skrøne. So, I think this is the best.
Det er det.
På en her.
September 2nd. We really woke up to fall today. I think it's like 9 degrees out. We all got our hats and Primaloft jackets on.
There's one too.
Meitemark.
Det meitemark I treet.
Se,
Oi!
det er en bein.
Vis den til mamma da.
Mittismarkis.
Det var
Etter det på.
inntil.
I think other people have a much tidier campsite than ours.
Not when I have little kids.
I think the wagon was a successful addition. I liked pushing that into the vestibule last night.
Very nice here.
Yeah.
Maybe me.
Right there, Mama.
Is it?
A waterfall.
You just now saw that?
Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Our summary here. A month after when we last did it. We got into camp a bit too late, but we learned this time and brought a lot more food, and that helped spirits. We roasted marshmallows and hot dogs on a fire last night, and then we went to bed at actually like 11:30. This morning, kept it easy with some oatmeal and coffee in this coffee maker that I bought, like a camping press can, Caffellano. Makes like Lungos, so only like 120 milliliters at a time. But it's good. It's better than the instant coffee that we usually go for. Fall is here. Rock collecting is a very important part of camping, isn't it?
Yeah. Yay!
Got godt stykke, Finnley.